Hello. This is the See It, Try It, Speak It Jake, full of energy. Take a look at the image. What do you see? Try to make 2 to 3 English sentences on your own. Pause the video while you do this. Pause now. Fantastic. Did you say Jake is a man? He looks happy. He is wearing a checkered shirt. Jake is jumping. These are some examples of sentences that you could have made. Now, let's take a look at the reading description. Jake is a young man full of energy and freedom. He loves new challenges and never likes to stay still. Today, Jake is jumping high under the bright blue sky. His fist is raised in the air and his face is filled with pure excitement and joy. His flannel shirt flows in the wind and his ripped shorts show his carefree and adventurous spirit. Jake is someone who lives for adventure and challenges. For him, jumping is not just an action. It's a way to push his limits and embrace life. He is always moving forward, seeking new experiences and enjoying every moment. Today, once again, he is ready to jump even higher. For Jake, life is not just a routine. It's an endless adventure filled with energy and possibilities. Now that we finished the reading description, pause the video here while you do the following 10 questions. Use the ebook as you do the questions. Once you've finished, we will go over each of the answers together. Pause now. Excellent. Are you ready? Question number 1. What is Jake doing in the picture? The answer is B, jumping. The question asks about the picture, so looking at the picture, we see him jumping. Question number 2. What is Jake wearing? The answer is B, a flannel shirt and ripped shorts. We can see his clothing in the image, but we also know because the story talks about his flannel shirt blowing in the wind and his ripped shorts. Question 3. How does Jake feel in this moment? B, excited and free. He's jumping in the air and feels limitless. We can see this feeling from the image, but we also know because the image description tells us. Question 4. Where is Jake? The answer is B, under the bright blue sky. We see the blue sky in the image, and the reading description tells us the bright blue sky. Question 5. What does Jake love? B, new challenges and adventure. This is something we know from what we read in the reading description. Question 6. What does Jake's outfit say about his personality? C, he is adventurous and carefree. He likes going on adventures. We see from his fashion choices that he wants to be comfortable, be able to move in the image, and it talks about his adventurous side and being carefree in the reading description. So the answer is C. Question 7. What does jumping represent for Jake? The answer is again B, a way to push his limits. He's trying to jump higher, push farther, move higher, and continually push himself to be more adventurous and to do better in life. We know this from the reading description. Question number 8. How does the wind affect Jake's appearance? A. It makes his shirt flow. We can see it in the image, but the reading description does tell us the wind makes his flannel shirt flow. Question number 9. Why does Jake enjoy jumping? B. It makes him feel alive and free. It gives him a sense of living as well as freedom. There's nothing holding him back. This is why the answer is B, as is told to us in the reading description. And finally, question 10. What can we learn about Jake's personality from the story? The answer is A. He is adventurous and energetic. It takes a lot of energy to jump and like jumping, but from the image description, the image itself, all the information tells us he's adventurous and has lots of energy, making him an energetic person. Now that we've gone over all 10 questions together, on your own, get the ebook and go over the 10 questions again. The ebook will provide detailed explanations for each correct answer. Then, reread the reading description at least 2 to 3 more times. This will help with your understanding as well as vocabulary and sentence structure. Another awesome tip is look at the image again. Make some more sentences. You can never have too many, and practice will help you, and it's easy to do. So practice makes perfect. Keep making those image sentences. In today's lesson, we described Jake, and we hope you enjoyed it. The next lesson, we're going to start describing objects, not people. Now, did you enjoy the lesson? We sure hope you did, because if so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications to get more updates on our content. You can check the description box below for the link to our ebook, which is available at the Google Store for now, and we are still offering that 30% discount for 3 months. No matter how challenging it seems, never give up. English isn't hard when you're with me. Remember, English is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Again, thank you so much for watching our content and supporting us. To keep getting updates and for us to keep making content, please like and subscribe to our channel to get more videos and to help you on your English journey. We know English is not an easy thing to learn, but we're with you every step of the way. Until next time, bye-bye.